Hello and welcome dear students. I am Nandlal Singh, your mathematics mentor, Bhagwat Vidyapeeth, Chhapra. Student, this is the second lecture on the topic area of trapezium and a polygon. Before we have introduced this chapter and know what is the area of a trapezium, and we have solved question first and second in my previous video. Today I am going to start with question number 4. So take a look. Exercise 16A. Exercise 16A. Question number 4. The question say, find the height of a trapezium. Find the height of a trapezium. We are going to determine the height of the trapezium. We can make the figure by on sum of the length of whose side is 15 centimeter and area is 500 square centimeter. Area of trapezium square centimeter. Area of trapezium 1/2 into sum of parallel side. You can see that into distance between them, that is AE, is equal to 500 centimeter square. 500 centimeter square. Now the sum of the length of the find the height of the sum of the length whose base is 50 centimeter and whose area is 500 centimeter square. Sum of the length of whose base, you can see that I am going to put this value as a sum of base length and it will be considered as height. Now it will be is equal to 500 square centimeter. So 25 height is equal to 500 by 25, so height is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we move to the question number 5. In the questions it is given that find the sum of the length of the base of a trapezium whose altitude is 70 centimeter and area is 0.8 meter square. Here you can see that here two different units is given, so we have to make it in a one unit. So we can write as again area is equal to 0.85 square meter. Now we can write as area 0.85 into square centimeter. Now I can write at 8500 square centimeter. Now we can write the formula 1/2 into base, sum of the parallel side into height. So in this case this will be not given and height will be 70 centimeter, 8,500, 500. Therefore sum of the length is equal to 1000 centimeter. This will be the height. Now question number 6. The area of trapezium is 210 centimeter and its height is 14 centimeter. One of the parallel side is double the other. So the first parallel side we can say that it will be x. Second side is equal to 2x. Now area 210 square centimeter. Sum of the parallel sides, so we can write x plus 2x because one side is the twice of the other and the distance between them is 14 centimeter. So we can write as 2 7 ja 7 3 ja 21x, 210 x is equal to 10. Therefore first side 10 centimeter, second side is equal to 20 centimeter. Now the question number 7. The question is area of trapezium is 300 meter square and the perpendicular distance between them is 15. It means height, and the difference of parallel side is 16. Find the length of parallel side. So here difference is 16. So first side we can consider x, second side will be x plus 16. Now we can apply formula area 300 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into distance between them is 14. 300. Now we can write as 2x plus 16. 300 14x 102 is equal to 300. 14x is equal to 300 minus 102. Now we can write 98. X is equal to 198 upon 14. Sorry for that. 112. So it will be 188. 188. Now you can cancel. something wrong. So it is 15 centimeter. If the difference 15, question number 7, it will be given that area, the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 15. 15 centimeters. Sorry for that. Now we simply solve like that. 2x plus 16, or we can cancel it by 20. So 2x now it will be the 24. So x is equal to 12. First side is equal to 12 and second side is equal to 12 plus 16, that is equal to 28. So you can see that instead of 15 I have written 14. So this will be the next confuse us. So simply you can see that it will be very easy. Here the difference is 16, so I am going to consider as a plus, x plus 16. So that's all for the video. Now we meet in the next video. Thank you.